Good morning from Sumatakyo onsen. It's a mountain village famous for its onsens and is located deep in the mountains in Shizuoka prefecture. To get here we took a bus from Senzu and took a narrow mountain road. We are walking to see a famous suspension bridge before checking out of our hotel. Cars are not allowed to drive on this road. It takes around 30 minutes to walk to the bridge from the village. Yume no Tsuribashi, or Dream Suspension Bridge, is a 19-meter long bridge over the artificial lake with mystic emerald green water. In 2012 it was selected as one of the top 10 walkable suspension bridges in the world. After crossing the bridge there is a pretty steep hike to reach the observation area on the other side. Vending machines in the mountains doesn't surprise anymore. We have reached the big Hiryu bridge and can cross the Sumatakyo river and start our way back to the village. The artificial lake is created by the Oma Dam, one of the 3 dams on the river. It's time to head back to the village. We still have some time to explore it a bit before bus to Senzu arrives. Now we can see how narrow and dangerous this mountain road really is. We came here when it was dark and couldn't see anything. We also have time to walk around Senzu until the bus to EM comes. The Oi River Valley is really beautiful, and you can never get tired of these views. We ended up in Shimada again, which wasn't planned, because we found a bus from Miyam that goes there, or we would have to wait for an hour to get out of there with the train. We finally got till Shinkansen bullet train and are on our way to Osaka. Osaka is full of people and stations are super crowded. Totally opposite from what we saw in the morning in a mountain village. But it's not a surprise since it's Friday evening and a lot is happening. It's time to attend a sold-out show in a rock bar. The show was wild and full of energy. There are a lot of street musicians in Osaka, and the streets are full of action. It's time to make it back to our hotel in Osaka.